In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the recently visited sites shortcut icon from Mozilla Firefox in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy fix if you want a cleaner new tab page, fewer distractions, or you simply don't want Firefox showing shortcut tiles on the start screen. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, click on a new tab. This will bring up the Firefox start page, where you'll usually see shortcuts, recent sites, and other content depending on your settings. Now look toward the bottom right corner of the page and click on Customize. This opens the customization options for your Firefox new tab layout. Firefox gives you control over what appears on the start page, so this is where we can remove the shortcut section. Inside the customization panel, find the shortcuts option. This setting controls whether Firefox shows recently visited sites and shortcut icons on your new tab page. To remove them completely, simply toggle off the shortcuts option entirely. As soon as you turn it off, the recently visited sites shortcut icons should disappear from the Firefox new tab page. This gives you a much cleaner and more minimal browsing experience, and it only takes a few seconds to do. If you ever want those shortcuts back again later, you can follow the same steps, go back into Customize and turn the shortcuts option back on. That way Firefox will start showing the shortcut tiles again. And that's it. You've now removed the recently visited sites shortcut icon from Mozilla Firefox. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.